Hi, welcome to Dubstep Wobble tutorial. I'm just going to show you today, very quickly, how to first create the wobble sound and then automate it to the tempo of a dubstep beat. First of all, we're going to start with the ES2. The ES2 is quite a powerful synthesizer and I'm a big fan of the ES2. You can do a lot with it. The default sounds something like this. So the first thing we're going to do is change the default sound. I'm going to go into the menu here, go down to tutorial settings, and then we're going to choose analog saw initialized, which gives us a nice, clean, simple sawtooth wave. We get the wobble sound from automating or from altering the cutoff here. This is the filter section, and this creates what's often called the dubstep wobble. We're going to need to control that to the tempo of a song, and we're going to use the LFO here, the low frequency oscillator, which is down here. We're going to control the cutoff by using these here. The cutoff 2 is used, and the source, what's going to be controlling that is the LFO 2. I'm going to turn this up. Once we've done that, we've got complete control of the tempo of that cutoff going up and down. As you can see, if you drag the LFO 2 below halfway, you'll see that it's syncing up with the tempo. So if we want a wobble that's a crotchet, it'll sound something like this. If you want it faster, it's quavers and semiquavers. Now, you'd probably want to change the sound as well using these oscillators. Now, to mix between all three oscillators, you get a more complex sound. So we'll switch both of these on straight away. And I like to use these settings at the bottom of both. You can choose from another 100 or so sounds. And I quite often recently have gone for iron. Got iron 2 there, and I think there's iron 1 as well somewhere. There's iron 1, so iron 2 sounds something like this. Iron 2, iron 1, and then sawtooth, and all together. Can also complicate it a bit more by putting an octave in. See how that sounds with a beat behind it. So I've already got some beat here, which is typical of dubstep. The next step after that is to automate the tempo of the wobble so that you can have some bits that are faster than others. The way to do this is to automate this. Okay, so to automate, you press A on the keyboard, you get the automate menu. You open this menu, choosing the S2, we're going to control the LFO 2. We're going to control the rate of it. As you can see, it's quavers now, so if we want a quaver or an 1/8 speed for the first bar, and then we might want to change that to the end of that bar. And we might go slightly faster to like semiquaver triplets, and then go back down, something even slower than before, triplet crotchet perhaps. If we put all this together, it should sound something like this. That only gives you a very small taste of what you can do, but have fun with that and watch the next one.